Something is happening in the world of computing that hasn't happened in a decade. We are witnessing the death of the giant desktop tower. For years, if you wanted real power, the kind of power that handles 8K video, complex 3D rendering, or massive AI datasets, you had to have a massive box sitting under your desk humming like a jet engine. But as we sit here in 2026, Apple is about to drop a nuclear bomb on the PC industry. It's called the Mac Mini M5. And I'm going to tell you something right now that might upset some of you. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you just bought an M4 Mac or, heaven forbid, you're still clinging to an Intel-based machine, you are about to feel very, very left behind. The leaks coming out of the supply chain regarding the M5 chip aren't just incremental. We aren't talking about a 10% or 15% speed boost. We are talking about a fundamental architectural shift. We are talking about the 2-nanometer era. Think about the Mac Mini for a second. It has always been the budget Mac. It was the entry point. But with the M5 generation, Apple is changing the narrative. They aren't positioning this as the cheap option anymore. They are positioning it as the efficient beast. The rumors suggest a footprint that is even smaller than the redesigned M4, a device so small it could literally hide behind your studio display, yet it packs more raw computing power than a top-of-the-line Mac Pro from just a few years ago. But why does this matter to you? Why should you care about a 2-nanometer process? Because this is the year Apple Intelligence stops being a gimmick and starts being the core of how you work. The M5 isn't just a CPU, it's an AI powerhouse. Let's dive into the heart of the beast, the M5 silicon. We've had 5 nanometers, we've had 3 nanometers, but 2 nanometers is the holy grail of semiconductor engineering. TSMC has been working on this for years, and Apple has reportedly secured the entire initial capacity for the M5 line. What does 2 nanometers mean in plain English? It means more transistors in less space. It means less heat. It means higher clock speeds without your Mac Mini sounding like a hairdryer. But more importantly, it means the neural engine is getting a massive overhaul. We're hearing whispers of a 60-core neural engine. To put that in perspective, the original M1 felt like magic because it could handle basic tasks instantly. The M5 is being built to run entire large language models locally. No cloud, no subscription, no privacy leaks. Just pure, unadulterated AI speed directly on your desk. If you're a creator, a coder, or a gamer, the M5 is the moment you've been waiting for. Let's talk about the GPU. For the longest time, the Mac Mini was a productivity machine. You used it for emails, maybe some light Photoshop. But with the M5, Apple is bringing hardware-accelerated ray tracing to a whole new level. We are seeing leaked benchmarks that put the M5 Pro chip's graphical performance on par with mid to high-end dedicated NVIDIA cards. Imagine playing the latest AAA titles, the cyberpunks of 2026, in 4K at 60 frames per second on a box the size of a sandwich. This is why the PC world is sweating. The efficiency-to-power ratio of the M5 is something that Intel and AMD simply cannot touch